Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. We are back again with a new video. In this video we are going to create a timescale heat map pattern using Python. So let us start this by importing the required libraries. So here, NumPy is used for creating numerical data, for example rendering and arrange, and pandas is used for handling time series and tabular data such as data frame, data range, and matplotlib.pyplot is used for creating the actual heat map plot. So now we'll define time axis which represent days and hour. आज डेट कितनी है? So this converts the NumPy array into a label table where index is equals to days dot. This formats each date like Thursday, 1 May, Friday 2nd and etc. And column is equals to hours. This set hours 0 to 23 as a column headers. So this structure is perfect for feeding into the heat map. Now we'll create the heat map. So plt.figure sets the size of the figure 12 into 6 inches and plt.imshow plots the data frame as the 2D image. And aspect is equals to auto, that automatically scales the plot height, and cmap is equals to a given color which applies a yellow, green, blue color map. And each cell's color intensity represents the magnitude of the data value. Now we'll add axis, labels and text to the plot. So here plt.x and y places numeric hour labels on the x-axis and the day labels on the y-axis. Now we'll set the labels. So here plt.x label and y label sets the suitable labels with where x label is hour of the day and y label is date, and plt.title sets a suitable title to the plot. And now we'll add a color bar. So this adds a legend color bar on this side and helps interpret that the color shading corresponds to the higher activity, which is the darker color. And now we'll display the plot. So plt.tight layout adjusts spacing to prevent overlaps, and plt.show displays the plot. So here we can see a timescale hourly heat map. So thanks for watching this video.